What's going on, y'all? We're out here at Grayson, Kentucky.
The hogs trough. Well, you got a car show going on. And after the car show, will be a burnout competition. 5.7 Hemi Dodge. Now, I really like these 90s model Camaros. The only downside on this one, it's not a T-top. My personal favorite would be a T-top. Get close to it. There's a little sparkle to it. Pretty cool. I don't mean to be walking quick through here. I kind of got here late. They're fixing to do the trophies and everyone's going to start to leave. That's my bad. Now, if you watched my Jeep show video, this Jeep will look familiar to you. It was there. But he'll make some noise when he heads out. I talked to this guy earlier. About 2 hours ago, he was the only one that was in the burnout competition. Hopefully that's changed. I tried to talk his buddy into joining. I don't know if I convinced him or not. We'll have to see. Now we're starting back here at the Jeep, moving our way back down the line. Just because I know who owns this Hummer, let's talk about it. So this Hummer was originally bought at auction down in Florida a couple years ago. It's an actual authentic racing Hummer, and it was bought with 750 horsepower. They actually had to have it detuned so it could be driven on the road, and now it only has 500 horsepower. They just literally got back 2 weeks ago. Now, just because I know the owner, let's see if he left it unlocked. Oh, he did. Whole bunch of gauges and everything inside, as you expect with a racing vehicle. Whole bunch of switches. I have no idea what they do. Big old roll cage. Really dark tinted windows. This was made for Baja. There you have it, a nice H1 Hummer. You don't see those every day anymore. I've never seen a breather like that. That's pretty cool. What's that called? I don't know about y'all, but I really like that truck. Pretty sure it's a fake Vince though. Yes, I had to call you out, sorry. Now if you had a guess, What out here has a 392 Hemi? Well, if you had guessed it was this. Me either. That yellow has a nice pop to it, don't it? Oh, I saw a sticker here in the back glass. See what it says. I don't know how to pronounce that. Sunsethamy? Sunsethamy? I don't know. You tell me in the comments. I don't know how that's pronounced. Sunsethamy? Am I pronouncing that wrong? Southern? I don't know. But hey, if you want to check that out, go right ahead. If you can read cursive. I'm in the generation that cannot, apparently. Alright, so just as we was talking about earlier. So, now earlier we was talking about a T-top Camaro. I found one.
$5 gift card to the hog shop.
Sparkly. Yeah, they're starting the announcements. I'm running a little behind.
And that one is number. Come on, there's two.
Oh, it's so sparkly.
Number 318318.
So I know the owner of this one too. When he gets done, we'll talk about it.
Gift card.
Alright, so here, hoping you can hear me over the music. This is a 57 Pontiac Super Cheese. Yet again, like I said, I know the owner of this car. So she's a two-door. As we know, the back seat does not have seat belts, and if you're an older person, you know why the back seats exist in these cars. And it's not for hauling your kids, if you need a hint. The cool thing is the back seat is so easy to get into. I mean, look at what kind of room. Oh, look at that, it just nice and folds over. Plenty of room to get back there. Not like today's cars where you got this much room. You actually have room to get back in there. So if she's hefty, you can still do the deed back there. This window actually rolls down. I'm not going to do it because it's stupid hot and I don't feel like messing with it. I don't want to get my sweat all over the thing. I just love the style of these old cars. I love how the back bumper is literally a bench with a spare tire in the middle of it. I think it's pretty cool. I love the interiors, matches the body paint. Good old white walls. You don't hardly see white walls anymore. So we've seen several cars that sit up off the ground. How about one that drags the ground? Nice long Cadillac.
Okay, everything's together, so let's give out some trophies.
What's that vent for?
He said it won't get a
All right.
big screen TV.
Got slide out seats in case you want to.
We did a photo. All right, this is the oldest.
What about that
vehicle.
leg room now?
The oldest vehicle here is a 1928 Ford Coupe that belongs to Gary Carroll.
Ain't that
So
something?
Gary, you win. Is he still here?
Could you imagine fill that trunk full of groceries at today's times? Have to take out a second house, look mortgage to do it.
People's Choice. So this is the one that the gray tickets went into the seat to. Oh wait, hold on. He's coming down. We'll give him his right quick.
LED headlights in an old classic.
Yep.
Don't see that every day.
Tourism, August 2nd to Grayson, Main Street.
There goes the one with the Hemi. It's a lot quieter than I expected.
When it was
We're on our way to check out the trucks that are going to join the burnout competition. So we got Pizza Planet truck. He's going to do a burnout for us. We're going to, in this here truck, he's going to do a burnout for us. And sadly, that's the only two that showed up today. But rather have two than none, right? So let's go check these guys out and see how they done. The local fire department's going to put it on their page. He actually has a walker in this truck. That thing can go there all day. They only allow 30 seconds. Now I just switch sides so I can get to the air conditioning. My phone's been getting too hot. That was pretty good when the rubber's smoking afterwards. Local fire department has their drone out, like I said. That's Grayson Fire Department. They said they're going to show the video on their Facebook page that seeks thermal to show how hot these tires are getting. So I can't wait till that video gets put out. It sounds pretty cool.